guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you guys for being here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you're new, you like, share, and subscribe. If you're not, then you already know. Okay, today we're gonna do my hair because my hair looks crazy, and we are working with BGM Girl here today, and I've worked with this company already, so thank you to BGM Girl for sending this beautiful wig that we're gonna see in a minute. Yeah, and also thank you for sponsoring this video. Let's go inside and see. So we do have a wig band, lashes, edge band, edge brush, wig caps, whether you want to use HD or just the regular wig cap. We have how to care for our hair, just some booklets, and their website, their socials on that. Oh, this feels good. And I have a bonnet that I'm definitely gonna wear, a wig bag to store our wig, and we have the wig right here. Let's see what type of wig it is. Look at that lace. I cannot wait to install this. So this is a 9x6 closure, super wide, and the lace is perfect. The wig is already curly, so I'm super excited to see if we are gonna need curls for this, with the adjustable band that's gonna be snug on your head, a comb at the back. You guys know already that I love comb at the back, and I believe it have combs on each side as well. I believe it's a 26 it's 26 inches. The curl is super bouncy, so I don't think we need to style it, but once I install it, I'm gonna see if I'm pleased or I need to style it. But we want to take the time out to give the lace some grace, and I have to show you guys this lace again. Just take the time and look at that lace, how beautiful the lace is. Yes, this is the HD lace, and I'm gonna tell you the difference between the HD and the transparent lace. This is absolutely amazing. Enough space for it to look like a frontal but give you that seamless, what do you call it, glueless feel. Look, it's gonna look like a frontal because it's 9x6, but then it's gonna be a glueless wig. That makes sense, right? So guys, I do have two different lace right here that we are going to talk about. I do have the transparent lace and the HD lace, and both lace are popular, but there's a difference. Okay, this is the transparent lace, and then I'm going to show you guys the HD lace. This is the HD lace. Obviously you guys can see me. Okay, this is the HD and this is the transparent. Which one is more clear? Looking through it, this is the transparent, and this is the HD. So there's a difference. And with this wig, we do have, I believe, the HD lace on. So the difference between the transparent lace and the HD lace are, look at that. Look how thin that is. And obviously there is a difference. The HD lace is much more thinner, softer, and it's more visible and have a much more natural looking to skin hairline. This is perfect. I love me some HD lace. No, a lot of companies say they use HD lace. This is the real HD lace right here. So most definitely I love this one. The HD lace are much closer to the skin than the regular transparent lace. HD lace are thinner, melt into the scalp much easier. So just look at that. You cannot notice any lace once this is on your head. It also minimizes irritation and itchy feeling on your head. They are both strong, the HD and the transparent, so don't get me wrong. They are both strong. The difference between the transparent lace and the HD lace is the transparent lace is thicker and have a light neutral tone that works best for lighter skin tones, but may need tinting for darker skin. The HD lace is thinner, finer, and more sheer, making it blend seamlessly with all skin tones, especially darker ones, for a more natural look. So in short, HD lace is more undetachable and blends better than the transparent lace.
Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gonna stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. I'm what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Maybe leaving by heel shoes. 'Cause everywhere you're looking at me, I'm looking up at you. And I don't give a damn, shawty, watch me knock your boots off.
Alright guys, I am done with this wig. When I tell you, you do not need any curls. No flat iron, no curler, no wand, nothing. The HD lace stands by itself. All I did was add tabs of the Gots to Bleed just to make sure it's secure. I love the curl pattern. The trick to this is when you get a curly wig like this, just add a little bit of oil to it, just 1 pump of oil, and that's it. I cut down mine a little bit for it to have a little bit more fluffy look. Look at this. OMG. BGM girl, you did that. I love this wig. It's very easy. It is absolutely secure. It's 26 inches. I did cut mines, but 26 inches stretch length. I cut off some of mine, and I did a freelance no part. So it came with a middle part, and I didn't do anything. I was like, I feel like the type of lace this is, I can freelance with it, and I did absolutely that, and I love it. So guys, make sure you guys check the description. Get this wig. It have the real deal HD lace. Now I know some people talk about HD lace. It is not HD lace. This is HD lace. Absolutely love it, and I did nothing much. It was super easy. The lace is thin, it's soft. Transparent lace is a little bit more thicker. Now if you know how to apply it, then fine, but with the HD lace you don't need a professional, okay? And this 9x6 cap, it is perfect from them. So I will have all the details in the description. Make sure you guys check it. Thanks one more to BGM girl for sponsoring this video and sending this beautiful wig. Let me show you guys something, because I didn't have to curl it. You guys saw that. Look at that curl. Love it. I absolutely love how this came out. It turned out beautiful, and it's a freelance wig. It looks like my hair. I love it. Like, look at the illusion as if it's a short wig, but it's not. Once you bring the hair to the side, this is how it looks. So guys, make sure you check the description and get this wig. You need it in your life. And remember, you still can add your side part. You can add your center part. Because the lace was so good, I decided to do no parting, and it turned out beautiful. when you get a curly wig and you don't have to do nothing to it and it's still super soft, you know what that means. So let's get into the cute part. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Check the description, all the details to this wig and their website will be there. You ready? Because I'm ready.
I just don't know what